Hey there friends, this is the Velar channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Bongo Cat in OBS. I've got it set up and now I'll show you how you can set it up like mine. Alright, I'll have it running here alongside my video. So, to do this you need to open up any browser. Type in Bongo Cat, and definitely include OBS. Go to the site, click Download. Alright, once the archive downloads, I'll move it over and open it. Actually, you don't even need to open it, you can just unpack it right onto your desktop. Okay, I'll delete the copy. So, here's the unzipped folder. Open it up, open Bongo Cat, and copy everything. Next, go to My Computer, then the C drive, Program Files. Here, look for OBS basically. Then, paste it here. Alright, so here, click Replace. Okay. I've just got OBS open, so it won't do everything. Basically, where it asks you to replace files, go ahead and replace them and grant admin rights. This can be deleted now. So, and then definitely reboot OBS. Alright, then click the plus sign here, right? Yeah? And here we'll have Bongo Cat. Click it and add it. Those are all the samples. Goodbye, everyone.